Good morning, students. Now is the time for computer class, and I am your computer teacher. So we are continuing the lesson MS PowerPoint. So now in this lesson, the first topic that we are going to discuss is adding header, footer and slide number. Adding header, footer and slide number. I think we all are very much familiar with the word header, footer, because in MS Word also we have discussed about header and footer. So what is header? We can say the content that appears at the top of the page or the slide is known as header. And what is footer? The content that appear at the bottom of the page or the slide is known as footer. So the content that appear at the top of the slide is known as header. And the content that appear at the bottom of the slide is known as footer. So how can we apply it? So generally the header and footer, what does they include? They include the text, graphics, page number, date, logo, etc. So how can we insert the header and footer in a slide? The different steps to include the header and footer in the slide are: number one, first of all we have to click on the insert tab. Click on insert tab. Now after clicking on insert tab, we have to click on the header and footer button. Where it is present? It is present in the text group. Click on header and footer. Click on header and footer button in text group. Now the header and footer dialog box will appear. Header and footer dialog box will appear. So there we have to click on the slide tab and can select the options. So there, after selecting the header and footer button, the header and footer dialog box will appear. Now there we can click on the slide tab. Click on slide tab and can select the option So in this way we can update the date and time, and the date and time options and different types of options are available on the slide tab. So this is how we can add the header and footer in our slides. The next topic that we are going to discuss is inserting the picture. How can we insert the picture? So remember, not only date and time, but we can also insert the slide numbers, etc., and we can apply those slide and those content to either single slide or to all the slides. So we have the option of applying the header and footer on a particular slide or on all the slides. So we can add the slide numbers, the date and time, the page numbers, the text, etc. on as a header or footer on a particular slide or on all the slides. Now comes the topic inserting pictures. So the picture can be inserted in a presentation from a file that is present on the computer as well as from the internet. So whenever we insert a picture from the internet, we call it online pictures. The pictures that we insert from the internet is called online picture. It's called online pictures. So how can we insert the first of all, we would like to know about how to insert a picture from a file. Inserting picture from a file. So what are the steps? How can we insert the picture from a file? For this, first of all, click on Insert tab. Click on Insert tab. Next, click on the picture button present in the image group. Next, we have to click on picture button. Okay, click on picture button, and where it is present in the image group. Click on picture button in the image group. In the image group. Remember, it is present in the image group. Next, so the insert picture dialog box will appear. And insert picture dialog box will appear, where we have different types of pictures. We can select any of the pictures. Select the picture of your choice. Select the picture of your choice, and next click on Insert button. Click on Insert button. So as soon as you click on Insert button, the selected picture will get appeared on your slide. So in this way, we can insert the picture in our slides from a computer file. We already have done this work in MS Word. So I think that this work would be much clear to you, as we have already studied it in MS Word. Now the next topic that we are going to discuss is inserting online pictures. Inserting online pictures. So I have already told you what is online pictures. the picture from the internet that is inserted in our slide is known as online pictures. So for inserting the online picture, what we have to do is, first of all, we have to click on Insert tab, click on Insert tab. From the Insert tab, what we have to do, the next step that we have to follow is click on Online Picture, click on Online Picture button, click on Online Picture button where it is present in the image group, present in image group. Present in image group. Next step, what we have to do is, again we have to an insert picture dialog box will appear. Insert picture dialog box will appear. There we have to, in the search box, we can type we can enter the type of image. So in the search box, enter the type of image, enter the type of image to be searched, the type of image to be searched or to be you are looking for, and the type of image. Now as soon as you type the type of image or picture that you want and press the enter key, so different type of images will be displayed. Several images will be displayed. Several images will be displayed of the type that you have typed in the online pictures. Text box will be displayed. Now select the desired image. Select the desired image and press insert button, and press insert button, so that images will be inserted in your slide. So in this way you can insert the online pictures. So student, in this video what we have discussed, first topic that we have discussed is adding header and footer. What is header and footer? How can we add the header and footer in our slides? The slide numbers, the data, the date and time, how can we insert them in our header and footers? Next topic that we have discussed is inserting pictures. What is picture? How can we insert the picture from a computer file? What is online picture? How can we insert the online pictures? The steps required to insert a picture from the online, that is from the internet, and the steps required to insert the picture from the computer file. So these were the content in this video. Thank you.